Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily find Bard's guitar in the Forge on Roblox. Let's begin. First, open Roblox and then play the Forge. Once you're here, I want you to find Bard. It should be just right over here, all right? So just go ahead, press E and give me the quest. Okay. And then once done, I want you to head over to the cave. So let me just walk through the cave. All right. And once you're inside, I want you to turn left immediately and then stop. You will see this green pasture on this side on the wall. I want you to walk right through it and you will just drop and you will see the skeleton. And here is Bard's guitar. So just pick it up. And then we now have the guitar. You could just deal with this later. Climb up. We just need to basically get back to Bard. Then go back outside. Let me see. Let's make sure we are not lost. Now, where are you, Bard? Okay, here he is. So go ahead, talk to him, press E, and then here is your guitar. And there you go. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.